What's up guys, Jesus here. I'm just doing a quick video just to show, because I went to go pick up the mail today and finally my Robinhood debit card came in. I'm so excited. It's been legit. Actually, I got off the waiting list back on February 27th is when I got off the waiting list, and they said they were actually gonna ship out my debit card. So it's been a little bit over a month since I've been waiting for the debit card. Now, I guess to give Robinhood in their defense, because I know not just me, I know a lot of other people that have Robinhood, they been delayed a lot in receiving the card. But for me, I will say that Robinhood did actually contact me, sending me an email saying that the address I had put was invalid. I don't know if it was because it was an apartment number or what the reason might have been. So whenever they send me an email, they said to just reply to that email with the new address that I wanted to be shipped to. So I put a physical address. It was my parents, and so after I send that email with a response to the new address to send it to, they replied to me saying that my car's gonna be shipped within 7 to 10 days. So I was like, I don't know if it's gonna be 7 to 10 days, but let's see. So that was, I want to say, maybe a week ago. Well, 7 to 10 business days, I should specify. So of course they didn't count the weekends. So not counting the weekends, it was like a week ago exactly today. And so I decided to go check the mail, and nonetheless my car was there. Now it doesn't come in the mail in this little green envelope. It pretty much comes in this black envelope right here. Now that's how it's gonna look like. So if you receive this black envelope in the mail, just know it is gonna be your Robinhood debit card. Now once you open it, this is a little envelope that Robinhood sends it in. Now I know it used to be a separate, more cool box where you actually slide it from one side and the debit card comes out from the other side. Now I know Robinhood went a cheaper route and maybe just send these paper envelopes to all the people that have Robinhood. I don't know why. None of it was to save money, or maybe this process is a lot quicker. But just so you know, my first impression is how it is. This is how the card pretty much looks. Now it doesn't say much information. It just says to activate it, on the app. I did black out this side though, because I noticed it said like the first 4 digits on my debit card and the last 4 of them. So you know what, let me black it out. So let me go ahead and take it out. I'm gonna do the whole process. This is how the card looks like. Now it is see-through from the right side, as I've seen other videos that say like it was see-through. It is pretty see-through, pretty transparent. I'm not gonna show the back of the card for very obvious reasons. It has my debit card number as well as expiration and my CVA. What's it called? It says here CVC. I know I call it I know it's been like also pronounced like CID. But yeah, so the reason I'm not gonna show the back of the card. But the quality of the card actually is pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be probably cheap quality, this debit card. Because I know, Robinhood is pretty new in the market. It actually starts as stock brokerage, and I know it's going more into the banking business. And I know they didn't call this a checking account; they call it cash management account. However, it's still FDIC insured, so therefore it's still almost acting like it was a bank. But the quality of it is pretty sturdy, pretty high quality, I will say. It's not that light; you can feel like a little weight to it. And I do like that because it shows it has pretty much a high quality. So I'm gonna do the whole process of activating it on my phone. So without further ado, let me go ahead and open my phone so I can get it activated. There you go. All right, now let me do the whole process. All right, open it. Now go into my cash tab, go on the very bottom, and then here is a tab that says have you received your card. You click on it. Have you received your card? If so, let's get it activated and set your PIN. If not, we'll look into it. Yes, I received my card, as you all can see. Activate your card. Activate your debit card to start using it in network ATMs and anywhere MasterCard is accepted around the world. All right, continue. Now the expiration dates, I'm going to put it in. All right, done. Look at the little check mark. There you go. Set my PIN. All right, confirm my PIN. Done and done. Okay, location protection. Protect your debit card with location protection. Will decline suspicious debit cards transactions that happen far away from your phone's location. Now that's a pretty handy feature. Debit card, your 400 purchase at Chevron was declined because. Okay, so it's giving just examples. All right, continue. Turn on location protection. Yes. To be honest, I have my phone with me at all times. So if I lose a debit card, it's a pretty, for me at least, it is pretty handy to have this feature activated. And here it is. Your card is activated. Your debit card is now ready to for use. You can modify your security features anytime from settings. Done. All right, guys. So it was just that simple. Not it didn't even took so much of a minute. All right, and then I receive a message saying here your Robinhood debit card is activated. Now you can use it at ATMs. Okay. The PIN for your Robinhood debit card has been set. You can change your PIN anytime from the card settings. All right. Excuse me. All right. So that is it, guys. That is how you activate the debit card. Now this video is being recorded on April the 9th. However, I'm still learning about how to do video editing, so I don't know when I will actually publish this video on YouTube, because I am planning to get more active in my YouTube since we're in quarantine because of the virus and the whole pandemic going on. You know, might as well do a little bit productive with my time. I've been actually, you know, educating myself, you know, doing more research online about stocks and, you know, financially and all that. So without further ado, guys, thank you so much and have a good afternoon. Peace.